I heard about it and just wanted to see what it was like, what it was about. My husband and I decided just to try it out, and what keeps me going is I love it. The people at the front desk are very nice, very helpful. They make you feel welcome.
There is something for absolutely everybody here. Every day there's all kinds of activities, some for more active people. Pickleball is one of the best things right now. It is so much fun that you forget you're exercising. So whether you want to be active, but there's also quiet places to read and reflect. There's also a great swimming area. Again, it has something for everybody, every level, no matter your age. Even if you're only 55, there's still something here for you to do.
My whole world kind of revolves around this pool and the people in it. Originally started only 3 days a week, but I come 6 days a week now just because I want to meet up with my friends. We go out to lunch, we go to the Mercantile, we do things outside of the pool as well, which has kind of opened up my world from just working home.
We moved here from Odessa about 3 years ago, and I was retired. I didn't know what I was going to do or where I was going to spend my time, and I certainly didn't want to do it in a chair. So it gave me an opportunity when I am sitting in a chair, not wanting to do much, to get up and come over here and enjoy all the things that we have and all the people that are here, and enjoy being around all of them.
We enjoy sitting out talking to each other, and we enjoy playing with each other.
The number one thing I really should say I like about here are the people. The people is what makes this place. Not only the people, the managers and the instructors, but the people that come here every day. It makes it a true community.
It's enjoyment being with other people. It's enjoyment where you meet other people and you become friends with them, and they worry about you and they ask about your health, and they check on you when you're not here. And that's what makes this center special. It's like being at home, only you're having fun doing it.